Chai Pawn Shop is one of the landmarks in Wan Chai. A lot of people love this place, especially photographers. But actually, many people don't know about a secret of this place. I'm gonna show you that. Chai Pawn Shop is a building in Wan Chai completed around in year 1888, over 130 years ago. It is a full base of balcony-type tenement house with shops on the ground floor, whereas upper levels were for residential purpose. One of the earliest owner of the shop is Chai Pawn Shop. That's why even after it was restored in 2007 and has become a place of fancy restaurants and bar, people still call it the pawn shop. So first of all, go to the original Chai Pawn Shop, go to the left. For your information, now the Chai Pawn Shop is here. Remember this entrance, the pawn. There's an elevator. This place is actually a little bit creepy. Okay, take a lift. Go to the third floor. It's called the farm because when it was restored years ago, it was kind of like a rooftop garden. So let's see how it looks now. This is it. Like what I said, not a lot of people know about this place, so it's rare to see someone's here. This building is a mixture of Chinese and Western architectural features, so you can see the windows are all in French style. Of course, the balcony is the best place to check out. So the reason why they don't promote this area is because this is a private open space, which means this is a private place owned by the tenant of this building. When the restaurant downstairs want to use the rooftop for some private functions or events, they would close the area, but usually it is open. I love the view of the balcony so much because you can see the iconic Hong Kong skyscrapers like Central Plaza and Hopewell Center. And watching the tram traveling underneath is my favorite. It's so relaxing that I'll never get tired of watching.
When it hits you, yes, you shall. When it hits you,
Since the area is open between 11 AM until 8 PM, the best time to visit is around sunset, so you can enjoy the views of day and night. This is Alpha. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.
1, 2, 3.